Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I solved some factorization problem using remainder or factor theorem. My problem is if x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2, then find the value of p. Part 1, find the value of p. Part 2, using the value of p, factorize it. This is ICSC question 2008. First we find the value of p. If let fx equal to 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. Now x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. So from here we put the value of x. First we find the value of x equal to 2. Next, if x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial, then f2 will be 0. This is our factor theorem. So we find f2. f2 equal to, we put the value of x equal to 2 in our given polynomial. So 2, 8 minus 4 minus 2p minus 2. This will be 0. 16 minus 4 minus 2p minus 2 equal to 0. This is 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 2p. 10 minus 2p equal to 0. Next, p equal to 10 by 2. Means p, value of p equal to 5. Next we find factorize the polynomial using value of p. So our fx now is 2x cube minus x square minus px. P is 5, so 5x minus 2. Now we factorize it. We can using division method, algebraic division method, to find. Here our polynomial is cubic polynomial, so here we get three factors. One of them is x minus 2, and we also find other two factors. We can find other two factors. First we divide a polynomial of 8 factor x minus 2. So x minus 2, this is 2x cube, so we multiply it by 2x square. 2x square, so 2x cube minus 4x square. Now this cancel, plus 3x square minus 5x. Now here we multiply 3x, so 3x cube minus 6x minus plus this cancel x. Now we get 5x here, minus 2, x minus 2. So here x minus 2, so it come one time, x minus 2. So our quadratic, we get a quadratic 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now using middle term factorization, we find other two factors of our given polynomial using middle term. So middle term factorization, 3x, we write it 2x plus x plus 1 equal to 0. From here we get common 2x and x plus 1. This is 1. x plus 1. This is equal to 0. So x plus 1, 2x plus 1 are two factors. So our given polynomials has three factors. The factors are x minus 2, x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Now, if x minus 2 is a factor of the given of expression 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 14. X minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. And when the expression is divided by x minus 3, it leaves a remainder 52. Find A and B. This is question. This question is 2013 ICSE question 2013. So first, let we start here. Let fx equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 14. Now x minus 2 is factor of fx. Therefore, x equal to 2, we know the factor theorem. When x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial, f2 will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Now, we put x equal to 2 in our given polynomial. f2 means x equal to 2. We put here 2 cube 8 plus 2 square 4a plus 2b minus 14. This is equal to 0. Now 16 plus 4a plus 2b minus 14 equal to 0. This is 4a plus 2b plus 2 equal to 0. Now 2a plus b plus 1 equal to 0. This is our equation, and the polynomial also is when divided by x minus 3, it leaves a remainder. Remainder is 52. So using remainder theorem, when x minus 3 is divide the polynomial x equal to 3 mean f3 will be the remainder. So f3 equal to 52. Now we put the value of x equal to value of x equal to 3 in our polynomial. So f3 mean our polynomial is fx equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 14, and f3 will be 52. So f3 mean x equal, we put x equal to 3 cube 27 plus 3 square 9a plus 3b minus 14 equal to 52. Now 54 plus 9a plus 3b minus 14 equal to 52. Now 54 minus 14, this is 40. 40 plus 9a plus 3b equal to 52. From here 9a plus 3b equal to 52 minus 40 equal to 12. Now 3 is common, so 3a plus b equal to 4. This is equation number 2. Now we solve equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is 2a plus b equal to minus 1. This is equation number 1. Now we solve using elimination method, subtract this plus. So a equal to 5. Now we substitute value of a in one of our equation. I put value of a in equation 2. So 2a plus b equal to minus 1, a equal to 5, means this is 10, this is 10, 10 plus b equal to minus 1, 10 plus b equal to minus 1, so minus 1, so b equal to 5, b equal to minus 11. So our answer a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 11. This is an ICSE question 2013. Now our question is 2x plus 7 is a factor of polynomial 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14. Show that 2x plus 7 is a factor of the given polynomial. So we know from factor theorem, if x minus alpha is a factor of fx, x minus alpha is a factor of fx, then f alpha will be 0. So using this theorem, here 2x plus 7 equal to 0, x equal to minus 7 by 2. So using factor theorem, we say that f minus 7 by 2 equal to 0. Now our fx is fx equal to 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14. Now we put the value of x equal to minus 7 by 2. So f minus 7 by 2 equal to 2 minus 7 by 2 cube will be minus 7 cube, 7 by 2 cube plus 5, 7 by 2 square minus 11, 7 by 2 minus, so this will be plus minus 14. This is equal, this will be 0. We find the value of this, minus 2, 7 cube 343 by 8 plus 5 49 by 4 plus 11 77 by 2 minus 14, 4 minus 343 by 4 plus 245 by 4 plus 77 by 2, 77 by 2 minus 14. This, now add this LCM 4 minus 3 4 3 plus 2 45 2 plus minus this. Now we add positive and negative number, minus 343 minus 56, this will be 993, and add positive value 245 and 154, this is 993. So minus 399 plus 399 by 4 equal to 0. So we prove or find the value of f minus 7 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus 1 is a factor of fx. Hence, find the other factors. Mean using this factor. So we using algebraic division method or using vanishing method to find the other two factors. Using division method or using vanishing method. So I use the division method here. 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14. 2x plus 7. Here 2x cube, so multiply x square, 2x cube plus 7x square. Now this cancel, minus 2x square minus 11x. Here 2x, so multiply minus x minus 2x square minus 7x. Now this cancel, this plus minus 4x minus 14. So now multiply by minus 2, and this will be minus 4x minus 14. So this is 0. Now x square minus x minus 2 is a quadratic equation. So here we get two factors. We solve it using middle term factorization. X square minus x mean minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. From here we get x common, x minus 2 plus 1 common, x minus 2. So x minus 2, x plus 1 are another two factors. Now our answer is 2x plus 7 is a factor which was given, and we find another two factor, x minus 2, x plus 1. This question is 2006 ICSE board's question. Now what number must be subtracted from 16x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 7 so that the resulting polynomial has 2x plus 1 as a factor? Mean find what number must be subtracted from a polynomial so that the given linear polynomial will be factor of it. Let we start from here. Let k be subtracted. K be subtracted. So now our polynomial fx equal to 16x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 7 minus subtracted mean minus k. And when fx is 2x plus 1 is a factor of fx, then x equal to minus 2 mean f minus 1 by 2, f minus 1 by 2 will be 0. We know from factor theorem, if a linear polynomial is divided a polynomial, then remainder will be 0. If it is a factor, 2x plus 1 is a factor of our given polynomial. So if x equal to minus 1 by 2, f minus 1 by 2 will be 0. Now we put x equal to minus 1 by 2 in our given polynomial. Minus 1 by 2 here 16 minus 1 by 2 cube minus 8 minus 1 by 2 square plus 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 7 minus k. This will be 0. Now find the value of it. 16. This is minus 1 by 8 minus plus minus 8 by 4 minus here minus plus minus 4 by 2 plus 7 minus k equal to 0. Now this minus 2, this minus 2, this minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 plus k minus 6 plus 7 minus k equal to 0. Now this is 1 minus k equal to 0. Therefore k equal to 1. K equal to 1, but our question was what number must be subtracted, and we let k be subtracted. So our answer is 1 is subtracted from our given number, so that 2x plus 1 will be a factor. This is a board's question of ICSE 2017. Now question is find the value of k. Find the value of k if x minus 2 is a factor of the expression, and hence determine the x plus 5 is also a factor. First we find the value of k. First we find the value of k. If x minus 2 is a factor, so from factor theorem, if x minus 2 is a factor, then f2 will be 0. Mean our fx equal to x cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10, and f2 mean x equal to 2. f2 equal to 2 cube 8 plus 4 to 8 minus 2k plus 10. This equal to 0. 16 plus 10 26 minus 2k equal to 0. From here k equal to 26 by 2 mean k equal to 13. Our another part is hence determine whether x plus 5 is also a factor. So using value of k, our polynomial is x cube plus 2x square minus kx. K mean here 13x plus 10. If x plus 5 is also a factor of fx, then x equal to minus 5 mean f minus 5 will be 0. If f minus 5 will be 0, then x plus 5 is also a factor of fx. So we find f minus 5 mean x equal to minus 5. Here minus 5 is cube, minus 5 cube plus 2 minus 5 square minus 13 multiplied by minus 5 means 13 multiplied by 5 65 plus 10. This is minus 125. This is 25 multiplied by 2 50. This is 75. So 75 plus 50 125, and here minus 125. So minus plus 125 plus and 125 minus, it will be 0. So f minus x is 0. Hence we say that x plus 5 is a factor of our given polynomial. This is ICSE question, board's question 2011. Now, given that x plus 2 and x plus 3, x plus 2, x plus 3 are factors of this expression, find the value of a and b. This question is ICSE 2009. So using factor theorem we solve it. Using factor theorem, x plus 2 is a factor, x plus 2 is a factor of fx. Then we put x equal to minus 2 in fx, and x plus 3 is a factor of fx. So here we put x equal to minus 3 in fx. Our fx is our fx is 2x cube plus ax square plus 7x minus b. This is fx. So f minus f x equal to minus 2 minus 2 cube minus 8 plus minus 2 square 4a minus 2 minus 2 means 14 minus b equal to 0. Now minus 16 minus 14 plus 4a minus b equal to 0. This is minus 30, and 4a minus b equal to 30. This is equation number 1. Now equation number 2. We find equation number 2. X plus 3 is a factor, therefore f minus 3. So here our expression 2x cube means 2 minus 3 cube minus 27 plus ax square. X square means a 9 minus 3 7 minus b. This will be 0. Now this is minus 54 plus 9a minus 3b here, minus b here, minus 21 minus b equal to 0. Mean minus 54 and minus 21 will be 575 minus 75 plus 9a minus b equal to 0. Mean 9a minus b equal to 75, and this is equation number 2, and our equation number 1 was 4a minus b equal to 30. Now solve these linear equations by elimination method. This minus, so b is cancelled. This is 5a equal to 45. So from here a equal to 9. We put a equal to 9 in our any one equation. 4a minus b, this was our equation number 1. I put here a equal to 9. So 4 multiplied by 9, 36 minus b equal to 30, and b equal to 36 minus 30. Mean 36 minus 30, and this is 6. So our answer a equal to 9 and b equal to 6. Our answer is a equal to 9, b equal to 6. This is an important question. This is a board's question, ICSE 2009.